Another reason is you can see here also I'm getting here if you see, if you just want to manage the nuget packages, you can see here few dependencies are missing still. If you just go here manage nuget packages, you can see here installed is having 6.01. Okay, in my machine currently I removed the nuget package 6 and I just made it nuget package 8, sorry, 9.0 preview I'm using. Sometimes what happens, few backward compatibilities only up to some. Currently 9 preview is supports only up to 7, I think, not 6. So that is one of the reason. So I have to just update it. I'll just pause for a while till then video. One second, let me resume. I'll just show you some the failures also, it's better. Yeah, this has been upgraded. You can see, and I have opened a lot of Visual Studios. Obviously, it makes, see, you can see here. I just upgraded only one. Which one? This 8.0.4. This particular one, but it updated. Okay, okay, it's not right. I think it is failed. Error list. One sec. Okay, let me update it to only 8.0.0. If you want to see the NuGet package manager with respect to that errors only, then you can just open here and just see this issue. Uh, See, and one more common issue, you have typed something here, for example, ABC or whatever Microsoft based. If you just move across the tab, the search will not remove. So they say it's a Visual Studio defect and all. No, Visual Studio definitely has many defects, but it doesn't mean this particular is the one. Okay, it is trying to say some error. An error occurred while fetching the packages. Refresh again. Refresh is here. Sorry. Okay, it looks 8.00 is of this first one updated and third one updated. Okay, you can see. And yeah, one more is NuGet package manager. Many are having confusion. What appears in the top is the current version, whatever is installed version. What appears in the bottom? If you just do mouse over, almost everywhere they have the version. Latest version is this is the one. It shows the latest stable version. If you click on this include pre-release, then only it means it is for the available pre-release, not a completely tested or release. So better to go with this if you are beginner. If you are experimental, then go for include pre-release. Otherwise, don't take a chance. Okay, and this one also it's not required actually. I know, Lowry. Let me quick go here and make it up. Still, it is not okay. Better dot tools entity framework core dot tools is not installed. Better install that. And this one also better you install the same. See, now it in the beginning it doesn't appear all the latest. How it works, you probably all know. It works based on API just fetches the latest version, then it fetches the remaining more details when you just click on it. Lazy loading, all those blah blah blah, all those concept you all must be knowing. uh, okay, yeah, this is what I wanted to show. Microsoft EF core design. Okay, yeah, design is making the problem. Okay, design is making it's not converting to this one. Blah blah blah. All those confusion. Just try to understand that meaning. In summary, uh, okay, I hope you got the point. I just did tweak from here to there, there to here. Yeah, these are a couple of issues with Visual Studio. I agree, but not everything. For your mistake, don't blame the Microsoft. Okay, I'm trying to install all the place same 8.00 only. Okay, simply always don't look for latest technology, latest version without your purpose or your necessity. Do some analysis and then go for it. Simply, if you go for all the latest, it's kind of a madness. It's not always safe. If you are very much confident, then only go for it. So you can see it is still going, restoring NuGet packages. Okay, now it is installed. You can just see here. Okay, still it shows sometime the install button. The reason is it is latest table it is expecting. Okay, it should show something like update kind of. Even for 8.00 it is showing like this, but it is not. It's already installed. Okay, 8.00 install. Yeah, these are the few issues. I agree. Now if I do it here, fixed. That's the magic. Nothing else I did. If you just go here and just check for the new Git, Git versions. One second. When it is going for this, it will not allow you to click on anything else. Build and few things. Okay. This is the reason my videos are lengthy, but I can't escape from this. If I just skip it, because I have faced this problem. Many people, many video, many threads, even Microsoft pages and all, they're explaining many concepts, but we are just missing where to click. Some buttons itself not appear. Okay, if I just click here, do Control Shift S, you can see. I just did what I did is I have taken this solution from different repository, and this particular is having version 6.0. I just modified it to 8.0 for my conveniency. I'll come to the error portion. Before that, here if I go here, if I just wanted to see compare it unmodified, you can just see few things has been added. Yeah, earlier I was mentioning Microsoft SQL Server. Here it is removed from the bottom line and it's added to the above line. Okay, and something like this, blah blah blah, and these few things. It just asks for private assets, all those things. Okay, yeah. Now coming back to the issue, what is this? A connection of SQL Server, but then error occurred during login process. Yeah, for this reason is the certificate chain was issued by an authority that is not trusted. This is not migration issue. Your migration issue is fixed. If your build didn't start, then it says this is not available, not recognized. But this is started. Okay. In this video, only I'll just try to cover up. When you get this particular error, so what you should do is if you just open your what is that? Probably this is coming in the recent nowadays. If you just go update it, your SQL Server Management Studio to the latest version, what is happening is it is by default for all the new servers. For example, let me take up this. It is making encryption as mandatory and server certificate as true. Okay, so this is the common case. It is making mandatory. So for this solution is how to connect is you have to make this optional and just connect. Okay, I'll just show it again. Okay, SQL Express, I'm just doing it. By default, what happens? It used to be like this. Okay, host name in server certificate. If you just do this, it says this error is not trusted. I hope the error is same. Okay, yes, that's what. And connection was established with the server, but then error occurred during the login process. You can see that the same error. Okay, I don't know why Microsoft introduced this optional by default kind of. Maybe we should be having some settings. I don't know. If you guys have it, just comment it or just share it out. So for that solution is just make it optional and say trust server certificate. It means you are trusting the server whatever it sends server certificate. Okay, the concepts and all is a different thing. You can understand. Okay, the same thing. Now the same thing you did it here, but how to do it in the code? I'll just show you. Just quickly. You have to go to here the program.cs wherever is your what you call SQL connectivity of with respect to the SQL server is there. At that place, you have to add this particular feature. Options.use SQL server enable retry and failure. This line we have to add. I mean, whenever you are connecting use SQL server with that, you have to say enable retry and failure. Okay, just add this. What happens is it's not with respect to the certificate exactly, it is with respect to what do you call it just retries one more attempt. This is the easiest option. Okay, I'm just doing the same thing again. Why it is failing? 10 enable retry and failure. That's what I did. Okay, now the next step is let me verify the connection string. Okay, yeah, you can see here. Here it is just saying trusted connection true, but it is not mentioning trusted server certificate as true. Okay, that has to be added. Um, trust server. If you are not confident of these things, just Google it out wherever you have some option, then you will get it. Okay, I'm just mentioning trust server certificate. It's true. This should be fixed. Okay, format of initial string does not contain at the index starting at index 70. Format of initialization string does not. DB connection options. Trust server certificate equals true. Okay, here it has been added as server. Okay, it should be data source because I'm just referring from local. Please, it should be data server. Trust server certificate is true. And let me make one more feature: integrated security. Integrated security going true. I hope this should be fixed. Mm, okay, I think this is another case. Earlier it was saying something meaningless. I hope with this it should be fixed. Now at line 75 does not contain specification. Format of the initialization string does not conform to specification starting at index 75. What is this index 75? Um, the certificate. This is the problem. It is integrated. This is the problem of manual typing. Something again. What's wrong? Okay, I think let me take it up. 75. Okay, I think this is a meaningless. Let me take it up. Trust Server Certificate and Integrated Security Database is this. Initial. Uh, Actually, this should be initial catalog. I hope you understand. This is the data source from where you're taking. When you're taking from server, you will just mention server equals what is the server name and then what is initial catalog. So better always go with this format only. So if you have locally running, then use this data source. If you're running from server, just give it a server. Okay. Yeah, that is most important. Nonsense. 58. What is 58? Then, yeah, okay, line number. Okay, this is the one. Blazor e-commerce one. How my madness. Actually, this is the problem. Manual typing always kills, but no option in the time of learning. It is taking time. Yes, it made it. If you still get it error, it is something different. Initially, we started with EF migration issue that is fixed. Then this connection issue. For that also, I just shown the example. Uh, Second thing, and the third one is what is that? One is update database issue. The solution is reinstall or close VS reinstall packages. Okay. Second is if you're getting I mean SSMS connectivity issue, especially in the time of development. So for that, usually many people get irritated of that kind of a frustration. So for that, solution is simple: just verify is it works in SSMS, and from the SSMS, better copy the connection string and just confirm. That is second thing is okay. Okay, I'll just show you that. Go to SSMS here. For example, which one I have taken? Refresh. Just now it created a DB. What is that DB name? Okay, app settings. Okay, it's here. The name is Blazor e-commerce one. That is the name I had given. Okay, this is the one. Properties. Just copy this. You can't directly paste it. Even from Azure portal or anywhere, you'll just get a connection string exactly For what purpose? It is for ADO.NET or whatever it is. General files permission. Somewhere we have the option extended. Okay, it's here. View connection properties. Somewhere we can get the connection string. I'm not able to recall. Somewhere here or there we have the option of connection string, extended properties, options, file groups, general, under general. Not here. Just check out the Google for the formats of that. Second is that, and then do the connection string. The connection string format should be like this. Uh, Whatever you have. So here the data source or server is the replacement. Remaining is mostly same. Trust server certificate. If you have username password, then you have to add that username password here. Always try to make sure this connection string. So this fixes the issue of what do you call this particular where it is. Okay, this is for the connection string validation. But initially, what we started is ah, connection string was established but not trusted. So to make it trusted certificate and all those things, this is a solution. Okay, cool. Keep coding, keep sharing, keep smiling. Spread the smile.